Welcome to MinistryHub.com, an online community designed for those who work each week to provide clear and relevant messages. Through the use of MinistryHub.com, you will find a place to fill that blank page each week. The most current and relevant service ideas through participation in our one-of-a-kind virtual brainstorming session. An opportunity to network with your peers in ministry, a convenient way to include more people from within your church in the creative process, and a way to save you time, which means more time for ministry and less Google. MinistryHub.com is built around the foundation of virtual brainstorming. As we collaborate on service ideas together, each idea suggested is then gathered into our collective database and then made available to everyone. So every idea you share today has the potential to bless thousands tomorrow. This tutorial will show you quickly how to get started. And if you need more information, just select Help in the top right-hand corner of the site. The first thing you will want to do upon entering MinistryHub.com is begin to build your online creative team. To do this, simply select the My Network tab. Once there, select Add a New Person and begin to add those who you would like to participate in your creative process. This could be people from within your home church, those that have great ideas, or even friends from across the country. Because MinistryHub.com is based on the internet, time and location are no longer a problem when developing your creative team, and you can now brainstorm with anyone from anywhere within the world. To build your team, first type in the names of those you wish to invite. Then select Send Invitation to these people. Here you can send a custom message to your friends inviting them to participate. Once you have finished inviting team members, you can now begin to find the ideas you need. And at MinistryHub.com, we have 3 different types of rooms available to you to help you in this process. First is a typical Willow-style brainstorming room. This room holds up to 8 individuals and can be scheduled when needed. Just create the room, send invitations to those you wish to participate, and then return at the scheduled time to begin. Imagine brainstorming when it's convenient for everyone on the team, such as during a lunch break or maybe after all the kids have gone to bed. The second type of room allows a greater amount of people to participate. The Open Idea Room at MinistryHub.com is available to as many people as you wish to invite and can be reserved for up to 3 days in length. Just select your topic, create your Open Idea Room, invite those you wish to participate, and then begin. Those who you have invited will receive an email from you inviting them to help you out. And they can pop in and out of the room as many times as they wish while it remains open. This gives your creative team a tremendous amount of flexibility to participate. The advantage here is you create the room and then just sit back and let the ideas come to you. The final room is new to MinistryHub.com, and it's called the Public Room. This is by far the simplest to use. Just select your topic and join a public room. Just prior to entering the room, a pop-up will appear asking you to invite others from your network to join you in your search for ideas and to participate. Imagine if there were 20, 30, or even 50 people from around the world all brainstorming the topic you selected. Can you imagine the ideas you could find? It's now possible through MinistryHub.com. Once inside a public room, you just need to make 2 suggestions, and then you can move on to the results, the display for our database of service ideas. Once inside the room, you will see that it is similar to a typical brainstorming session. On the left side of the screen, you can sit around and chat with other individuals. The right side of the screen has been developed specifically for brainstorming ideas. It's here you'll see the idea board, or what ideas have been suggested, as well as suggested new ideas. To suggest a new idea, just select Suggest a New Item, where you can suggest specials, worship, movie clips, media clips, dramas, as well as other ideas for those ideas that just won't fit into any other previous category. Each one of these 6 suggestion tabs have been pre-populated with literally millions of ideas just waiting to be suggested. And if for some reason what you want to suggest can't be found within our database, just select the Can't Find What You're Looking For button and then make your suggestion. For now, let's say you want to suggest a special that fits the topic of authenticity. First, you would select the Specials tab. The first thing you will see is that the Specials tab is first populated with songs that already have been suggested for this topic. If one of the songs listed is the one you were going to suggest, simply click on the song and then suggest it. But if the song you wish to suggest was not listed, then type in either the title of the song or the artist that performed the song. Since I would like to suggest the song How Is It Between Us by Sara Groves, I'll type in Sara Groves. From here you can see that it displays all the songs that have something to do with Sara Groves. I can then sort the information either by song title, artist, or CD. Since I'm looking for the song How Is It Between Us, a great song about authenticity, I would sort the songs by titles and then locate the song. When I select the song I want, it then automatically fills in the appropriate fields in the Items to Suggest card. I can then make a comment about this song, or I can simply suggest it by selecting the Suggest button, which then takes us back to the Suggested Items board, where you can see that How Is It Between Us by Sara Groves has been entered. Communication in the virtual brainstorming area is accomplished by using chat, and we've added some fun ways to communicate with one another as well, such as emoticons. It's here you will find things such as the umbrella of grace, as well as fun little ways to express yourself. And if someone bags on one of your ideas, MinistryHub.com is the only place on the internet where you can actually throw something at someone. This is called a splat ball. To throw one, just select the person you wish to throw, and from their pop-up window, select Splat. As new ideas get suggested for your topic, we also want to know what you think about them. Would you use them or not? If yes, select the thumbs up. If you're unsure, just select maybe, and either no or doesn't apply if you feel it's a bad suggestion or doesn't fit the topic. By the way, the item you ranked is strictly confidential, so you don't need to worry about hurting anyone's feelings. If you think it's a bad idea, they will never know. The second thing we would like to know is if there is any two elements that work well together. You know a song that sets up a drama or a movie clip that might work well with a song. If you see two items that work together, just select the pair box next to the two items, and then they get linked together in our database. Once you're finished here, you can say your goodbyes and make sure to add anyone you like to your buddy list so you can find them easily next time. Then select Go to the Results button. The results is the true beauty of MinistryHub.com. It's here you can find all of the ideas that your group suggested, as well as every idea suggested for your selected topic. You can then sort these ideas either alphabetically, how they have been ranked, or by popularity or how many times this element has been suggested overall throughout the system. If you see something in the results that catches your eye, just select it and you will then be directed to the store. The store at MinistryHub.com is another one of the great things about the site. For instance, when I select How Is It Between Us by Sara Groves and enter the store, I can then see that I can download the MP3 from iTunes, I can download a music chart from Music Notes, I could purchase the CD from Amazon, and we've even added a button that automatically Googles the lyrics of the song for you. As you can see, Ministry Hub has been designed with the creative pastor in mind. It's easy to use, efficient, and will of course save you valuable time and bring new creativity to your ministry.